Hello everybody. In this video, we'll discuss about a famous concept called Wyckoff method by Richard Wyckoff. He was a successful trader during 1930s. He classified the market into four stages: accumulation, then uptrend, followed by distribution, and lastly markdown or downtrend. We'll discuss one by one. Accumulation is the stage where the institutions or big people will start buying the stock slowly. The price will be in a range and there will be little movement in the price of the stock. Once it breaks the accumulation, it will enter the next stage, which is an uptrend, where the price of the stock will go high. It will make higher highs and higher lows. Even the retail investors will join this rally and push the price higher. Once it reaches the peak, it will go to the next stage, which is in distribution, where the institutions or big people will start selling the stock slowly. Once it breaks down the distribution stage, it will go to the final stage, which is in downtrend, where the stock price makes lower highs and lower lows. Here also the retail investors join the rally and push the price even further down. As per the author Richard Wyckoff, a trader can trade in uptrend and in downtrend. These two trends will help them to make money. As I explained in accumulation and distribution stage, why the institution investors are selling or buying the stock slowly is their action may spike the price drastically, either upside or downside. This will increase their average cost and limit their profit. We'll explain with an example. Assume they want to buy 1 crore shares in ABC company. If they place an order at one shot, it will spike the price drastically like this. So this will increase their cost. Similarly, when they want to sell the shares of 1 crore and they place the order at one shot, this will push the price drastically to the downside and limit their profit. This setup is most useful for swing traders. You can take a position whenever there is a breakout and whenever there is a breakdown, and you should have the strict stop loss, as there may be some false breakouts and breakdowns. This kind of setup is applicable for any financial instrument in the market. We'll see one by one. First we'll go with the TCS, where as you can see there is a downtrend followed by accumulation of 3 to 4 months and then an uptrend. Again we'll see the HDFC, where the trend is uptrend, then we can see accumulation, uptrend, accumulation, uptrend, accumulation and uptrend. As you can see in HDFC, uptrend is followed by accumulation and then again there is an accumulation. So again there is an uptrend followed by accumulation. So these four stages are interchangeable, and one stage can be followed by other stage and vice versa as well. The next example here is index. So we are using Nifty as an example. As you can see, there is a downtrend, then there is a you can see the accumulation of close to 6 months, then we can see an uptrend. This is applicable for commodity. We have taken example of crude oil here. There is a downtrend, then there is a distribution of close to 1 year. The distribution phase here was run for 1 year, and then there was a downtrend. The final thought on this topic is take position only if you are confident, else you can skip the trade. As market gives you more opportunity on a daily basis, we can make money on any given day. Buying and selling at the right location will help in reducing your risk and then getting more rewards. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe my channel.